today's day 5 of programming in OpenGL. Today I was able to display on the screen a primitive of a triangle, and with this I'm basically able to switch back and forth the buffers so it changes color, and I just chose a burgundy color as the background. It just looks nice in my opinion. And I use the sign function to make it switch from basically green and fade into black and then back into green again. I basically did this using the Learn OpenGL website, so if you guys want to check that out and make your own type of game or game engine, I'd highly recommend. But mostly today I just learned about vector shaders and fragment shaders. All a vector shader is basically the vertices that are going to be displayed on the screen to display the certain primitive you choose. For instance, I ended up drawing a triangle. You can see here in my game loop, right here. Draw element triangle, I'm using 3 vertices, and how you end up passing it. If I go back up here, it's basically saying, hey, from location 0, there's basically something called a vertex buffer object, and it contains the vertices. I'm saying, hey, get it from attribute location 0, give me the vertices for a position, and I'm going to end up setting the vertices using gl_position. This is basically a global variable set by the GPU. And this is the fragment shader. You basically give it the version of OpenGL you're using, and right here I'm taking as output the fragment color, so it gets it back and it's saying, hey, set the frag color equal to R color, and R color is a uniform. Basically down here I'm saying, where is it? Right here. Hey, update this GL uniform using the vector4 float, and it's setting up a loop that's constantly changing the color. I use this glfw get time. All it's doing is getting the current time so it could help set the sign function so it shifts from a different green value to black and then back to green. But yeah, that's basically it.